Hey guys, MoneyMarrowTech, back with a tech review. Today we'll be going over a drone called HoverAir X1. Okay, a self-flying drone allow you to take videos on the go, easy breakdown, collapsible, easy to put in your pocket and stuff. They got two variants. I got a black and a white one. They have a standard pack, I have a combo pack, and a combo plus. Okay, so obviously with more combo going up, you get more like perks like batteries, different accessories, bags, etc. and stuff. But I got this one here. There's a combo pack. The price starting off with the standard one is $429. The combo pack is $479, and the combo plus is $519. However, so y'all see, I'm telling the truth. On Amazon, they're having a pretty much a $80 coupon. So if you get the 429 one, is gonna drop it down, $80. If you get the 479, which one I got right here, gonna drop down $80. So about $400, and then put $80 on this one as well. It drops down as well, $80. So have a coupon on there. So definitely drop down the prices for you and stuff if you want to get one. I will leave a link down below for quick access. So you want to get to the drone faster, you sure can and stuff. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it up, guys, and start the review. All right, here we go. Down here, got a pull tab. Pull it open. And there we go. So right here, you have your battery charging hub. So you can plug your batteries in here and charge it up. All right, put that down for a minute. Right here, you have a extra battery. That's just cardboard. And then you have the drone right here. All right. Anything else in the box? That's all in the box. Let's go ahead and close this up real quick. Put that to the side. There's the drone. Here's the battery hub. So this right here is the combo pack. Starting off at $479. Got $4 off Amazon. I will leave a link down below so you see all three of them. So real quick, let's go ahead and open this one up. Boy, I'm having a hard time opening this up. All right. There we go. Let's open it up. Sorry about that. Sorry, guys. Having a hard time. There we go. All right. So this is the battery charging hub. The box is empty now. Here's the manual. And here's the battery hub. So like right here on the bottom, use type C. You'll be able to put your two batteries in here, like so. Look like right here, got a little battery indicators on there. So I will plug it up and I will show you guys as well, but just from first view, it look like two batteries go here, and then the battery indicators right here as well. All right. Right here is the battery. Okay, like so. Another manual. that to the side. And here is the battery on the drone, of the for the drone. Okay, and I'm supposed to go in here just like so. All right. And now for the drone itself. Okay. So I did get it in black. Go ahead and pull the plastic off real quick. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. Here we get this out. Light's on sleeve. Pull the sleeve off. And the leg is in the box. All right, here it goes. It's right here. Got a CD in here. Okay. So here is your manual. Okay. And then right here is a little quick start guide and stuff. We'll go over that here in a little bit. Right here is the drone itself. Oh, that's light. Go put it down for a second. Right here is, let's see right here. Here's your cord, type C, type C, type A, and look like a carrying bag. That's cool. I got a logo on it. All right, so here we go. It's all in the box. And here it is, guys. The HoverAir X1. And man, guys, this is light. Holy smokes. This is lighter than my S24. Like, this bad boy is light. Holy smokes. All right, so let's open it for the first time. Like so. And there it is. You see inside, it's got like a little cage around it to block the pillars. Got your buttons on top. So we'll go over this a little bit more and stuff when you take it outside and fly it around. But got your different settings on here. Your power button right there. Right here, like your battery pack. Down here, look like you got some sensors. I think you'll go look at that. Here's your camera in the front. Like a light indicator right there. Your camera and stuff. So we are going to take this outside, give it a flight test, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, guys. So first thing first, this is clutch. It's not the best, but is good enough to get you what you need in a quick moment time. Okay, first of all, the size of it is small. Okay, definitely lighter than, you know, my S24, my iPhone 15. It's not as light as my Action 4 camera and stuff, but definitely good enough where you can take it on the go, put it in a bag it comes with, and, you know, put it in your backpack or wherever it may be. But first off, this is how it's built and stuff. I have crashed the bad boy a couple times already. I have kids grab it out of midair and stuff, and it lasts so far, so it's not bad and stuff. Like I said, it have crashed a couple times, and it still works fine and stuff. The system, the device do tell you when it crash or when it crash. It will start blinking yellow, let you know the indicator is going to crash. But overall, Not bad setup. Okay, so real quick, I'm gonna turn it on. We're gonna walk through the different settings. I did post I am gonna show you a video of me using all different settings as well, so you can give it, so you have a general idea of what it does. Okay. So right now, I have set on hover. Pretty much what we're gonna do is you click the circle button again. It's gonna count down to 3, and then you let it go, and it's gonna turn red when it starts recording. And it's gonna just hover around you. So if you move to the right, it moves to the right, and move to the left, and move left. But it's pretty much gonna stay in one spot. Okay. The next one is zoom out. This one's gonna start recording video going outwards and back inwards. Follow. Pretty much what it says is going to start recording. It's going to follow you. It's going to track you down. You know, monitor your face and stuff, and keep you in the camera. And so by following you, then you got orbit. Orbit, like it says it is, you stand in the middle of it, and it's going to circle around you in a 360. Bird eye view, which is my favorite. Depending on the settings you put it, it's going to go up to 30 to 50 feet in the air. It's going to start recording you from the ground all the way up, and then record you come back down as well. And then you got 3 more different settings on custom. Sidetrack. So sidetrack is it start monitoring you, and you walk. Let's say you're walking straight one way, it's going to be on the side of you, and it's going to track side to side, however you go. Forward, backwards, and stuff, but it's going to it'll keep a video of your side view of you. Okay, hold this down to get to the next custom. Continue. Snapshot is pretty much taking a picture. It's going to hover above you. As soon as you do the peace sign, it's going to take a picture of you. You can set it up where if you do a peace sign, it give you like a countdown where you can take a picture of it, so you don't have a picture of of yourself with the peace sign in the air and stuff. And then the last one is standard dolly track. Dolly track, what it is pretty much like follow, but it's gonna be in front of you. So if you walk towards the drone, it's gonna move backwards, and if you walk opposite way, it's gonna follow you. So pretty much, it's gonna it's perfect for like if you want to walk in an aisle or like an alleyway, and it's gonna be in front of you the whole time. And it's gonna move backwards and stuff. And then during custom settings, if you do the X with your hands above your head, it won't. It will come towards you and blink green to let you know that it's ready for you to put your hands underneath it to be picked up. Speaking about underneath picked up, right here on the bottom, you got sensors down here, so it tracks when your hands or something is down there below and stuff. So when you put your hands out here on the bottom right here, it will assist your hand, and it will slowly come down. And once you make contact with your hand, it's going to turn off. Okay. Quick side note: you can use manual control and stuff. I have played around with a little bit of it, and where I personally flew myself and I landed on my table or surface and stuff. So you can use that real quick. I'm gonna go to the application. I'm gonna click on connect to device. Push connect. Right here, if you go down to the bottom right here, you got your smart preview and stuff, so you can be able to see how stuff is going to look before you take off as well. It also shows an indicator of your battery life, the percentage of your gigabytes as well. But right here is your manual control. So from here, if you want to fly your drone, if you click it, it'll say manual control, but we're gonna turn it off. We're not gonna do it, but it knows that it's in manual control once you turn this on. And then you use it as a controller to fly it, however it may be. And yes, you can record it while you're flying as well. So as soon as you click that button, it will start recording. And then go back. If you record something and it knows you did, you go to here. It'll show you new pictures and videos you made. So right here, it showed me, show the video I just did just now with you guys, where I recorded for like 3-4 seconds. I can either do 2 things: plug it to the computer and download it, or download to my phone. Simple. I just do it here, go to download, and it'll download. And now you see the full 3 seconds I did of the video with recording it. And if for any time you use it, you can do the same thing. You click the button and record and stuff, and you can make it go. All right. Another side note: if you go to your hover settings it will show you all the settings you can do. So for instance, if I want to do hover, I click on hover. I could do shoot video, right? I can do durations. I can do continue, 30 seconds, 5 minutes, etc. If I want to do track target, I can. If I want to do a vertical mode or wherever I can. If I want, I can choose the quality of the video. And here are other ones I talked about too. The zoom out, you can change the quality of that. You can change the different settings. So for instance, if you want to do a zoom out of only 5 feet, you can. Versus 30 feet, you can do that. But once you set it up, you can have it set up wherever you want and stuff. But this is how you would get to it as well. You want to shoot HD, you want to shoot as normal, you want to shoot your quality. All this stuff here you can change in the application as well. So you can customize it as well. Now, you can use audio on here, but the audio is it's not really good. Okay. I tried to shoot a video with me trying to speak to the camera, but these are loud. This is loud, so probably best for just the moments, and then maybe do like a voiceover later on. But you can record on here, but it's very hard to hear yourself on here, so I wouldn't even bother that. This is also how you would update your firmware, check your storage, voice settings, calibrate it, etc. If you want to change your how you measure the length, you can do it in meters or feet, etc. here. And then a little quick side note, it shows you different ways of training stuff. So you see that I have done hover 18 times, I've done zoom out 13 times, I have done follow 13 times, and actually this right down here is actually like will be locked up. It's more like advanced settings you'll get to once you complete 4 or 5 of these times, and then allow you to do it. So you see, I had that manual control 20 times and stuff. Definitely fun to use. Definitely cool to have, etc. And then on here also you can see other people with their videos that they have posted on here by using the drone. All right, guys. So overall, not a bad camera. Not a bad setup. This is definitely for people who are, talk about doing solo trips, or not even solo trips. It could be anybody really. This is good something to have in your bag, where you want to capture a moment where it might be a sunset for you and your significant other, or recording something at different scenery and stuff. But it's so compact, you can put it anywhere you want really. It does come with this carrying bag that I've been using and stuff. Just take it, put it in the bag, and put it on the go. My only concern that I have about this thing is I probably want to go back on Amazon and buy a hard case for it, because even though it's not as valuable as other gimbals I've seen in the past, I want to make sure this is protected, because this is very, very loose, as you see, very soft and loose and stuff. I mean, it's flexible and stuff. That's probably the only thing I want to do. Probably see if I can find like some type of housing for this, if keep it from shaking around and stuff, or from different things. But I definitely like this a lot. It's not as good quality as some videos, because it's not shooting 4K. It's only shooting 2.7K and stuff. But it definitely decent enough where you can get some key moments and stuff. And actually looking at the videos, they're not bad. They're not bad at all. I definitely took this to my son practice the other day, and did some videos of the kids warming up for practice and stuff, and it came out really good. You probably have seen some of my videos on my social media where I use this camera and stuff to do like quick little snippets and stuff. It was pretty awesome as well. So overall, not bad product. I will leave this down below in the description for you guys to find it easily. I will list the 3 combo packs it come with. Let's say one come with just 1 battery, one come with 2 batteries, one come with 3 batteries. The prices are ranging from $429 all the way to $519. But like I mentioned before, there was a coupon on there giving you pretty much $80 off. So not bad for savings there. But if it's your first time to my channel, guys, go ahead, like and comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.